Hi, I'm Rebecca Zadibble. Welcome to my studio. Art really began in middle life for me. I had 4 kids and always had an interest in art. In raising 4 kids, putting dinner on the table, working, I just didn't have time. So midlife came along and there I was. I had the time and the money to pursue getting instruction and going to workshops, and I just began painting so much that instruction became like the next obvious step for me, and then from there the need to have a studio evolved. And this studio, oh my gosh, what a great space. It's well lit, it's safe, there's lots of parking, it's easily accessible, and then we have this beautiful view outside of the waterway. So all of those attributes really make it the perfect place to hold classes in for me to work. I love to have a venue also where people can come and look at my work and see it as a body of work and not just as an individual painting here or there. I really love the idea with my artwork of not only painting something that I love and gaining the joy that comes from the production of the work, but then selling it to somebody who really connects with it. Then I took that even a little bit further and I began to donate a portion of my sales to charity, and that just heightened the experience even more.
Oh, I like that color.
The studio for me is just a place where I can come and make a big old mess and not have to clean up. And it's done the same for my students. I think they can come here, they can create, they can throw paint, spill paint, it doesn't matter.
I just never get tired of that.
I like to think of my studio as a safe space, a place where we can come and we can connect with not only the people who come to class, but with ourselves. I don't know, there's just some sort of unique thing, some sort of unique mental place that we go to when we paint. And it's not uniquely available to me. The capacity to create art and paint is a craft, and it can be learned, it can be taught. I have people ask me all the time whether or not art class is for them, or they express the worry that maybe it's too late, that they can't draw a stick figure, that somehow they don't have what it takes to be an artist. And I'd really like to encourage you to think differently about that. It's been my experience that everybody has the capacity to surprise themselves with what they can do. And if it's something that you'd like to do, I guess I'd like to encourage you to answer the call and maybe try a class. I'd love to welcome you to the studio and maybe help you tap into something that you didn't even know you had.